Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again, and today we're gonna slay, a nice quick look. Well, you know what? It's not gonna be quick if it's me. So yeah, so if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm actually gonna dabble, just dabble in a couple palettes. I'm gonna go into this palette because I want a dark kind of purplish shade. So we're gonna go into this shade right here, this one right here called E5. So we're gonna go into E5, and I'm gonna use this blush. This is from Makeup by Yolondo. It's a 208. And you just stamp in this here. And this is Valentine's weekend. I don't even know what I'm gonna get for my baby. He's so easy, but at the same time, like, kind of hard, I guess. I don't know. Let me explain. Like, it doesn't matter what I get him, he will appreciate it. But it's the hard part comes, like, you have like so much stuff. So what do you get somebody that doesn't like, that have like pretty much everything for the most part? Or the other things you want I can't afford. You already know, but anything I gave him, he'll like it. And just go back and stamp. I had to make some time, man, to clean my beauty room, because so I clean it, and then I dirty it, and then I clean it, and then I dirty it. So now I'm gonna take a clean 204, and then I'm just stamping this to just kind of buff this up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, B3, and yeah. Okay, and then now we're gonna go into B2. And I'm using that same 204 brush. And guys, don't be scared to keep going back in, to get your desired look. Or blend, either way. Just keep going back in and in and in till you get what you want. Now I'm gonna go back to my first shade, E5. Tap this here. And then back to this brush. I'm not really putting any product on there. I'm just like going in and tapping the edges, so it will be blended out. Okay, now let's go ahead and coat that crease. Coat that crease. Coat that crease. And all my clothes is getting too big for me because I'm losing a little weight, and nothing crazy, just a little bit. But whenever I started losing weight, I lose weight up here first. So yeah, not too excited about that, but I'm excited about losing weight. I guess you can't have it always, right? But I am super happy that I'm losing weight. I am working extremely hard for that, so I'm gonna take, you know, the little wings. Then we're gonna take a wipe. Okay, so now let's go in and cut the crease. Because what I was doing before, I was just cleaning the crease, and now we're cutting the crease. And it's already 13 minutes. So we're gonna go in with this brush. This is my cut crease 2 brush or CC 2 brush from Showstopper. And we're just gonna go. So. And then now I'm going to go in with my CC9 brush from Makeup by Yolondo, and now we're gonna really get in there. I'm gonna go back to this palette because I want the white that's in there. What is this? What is this? An M514 from Morphe, and I'm going to go into A1. Woo! Just a white. Nothing special. I like this brush for this. Let's try this. This one is a 215 from Makeup by Yolondo. This is just a base. And I'm gonna go into my glitter glue. Now I'm gonna go into this palette right here from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go into, I don't know, is it Uli or it's ULI? That one. Okay. No, I'm gonna do something crazy. I just ordered these from this company called JD Glow. So these are liquid liners. So good, so good. So today we're gonna go into this shade. This one is called, it's a neon purple. So we're gonna go into that shade. And let's get into it. Let's get into it. And again, we're gonna use neon purple. But this look is gonna be a lot. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I love, you know, the look. So today I'm gonna actually use my smoothing primer from Tarte. I haven't used this primer in a minute, but this is really good to minimize the pores. Let's use these. I'm gonna mix these two. This is actually my perfect summer shade. So just a little bit dark, a little bit dark. So let's go in with 12. Okay. So I'm gonna use this right here. I'll just use my Makeup Forever, and then now let this dry a little bit, and I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario. So while that's happening, I'm gonna blend this, and I'm using a 405 from Makeup by Yolondo to blend this. And I'm gonna take my slick brush and we're just gonna blend this concealer. Ooh. Now I'm gonna take my powder, my foundation brush. Okay, now let us set it and forget it. So I'm using my Beauty Bakery powder, and I'm gonna use my same slick brush, which I need to wash. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless powder. Okay, let's clean the lip. Let us see. What are we gonna wear? Not wear. I just need something to put some base real quick. But this eye is like running. This eye is not playing today. Okay, so while I'm gonna leave this dry for a little bit, just let it dry. Okay, let's jump into some bronzer, you know, while this is doing its business. Okay, I'm gonna go into Tropical Bouquet from Makeup by Yolondo, and we're just gonna use this shade right here. And this is just bronzing, you know, putting back a little color into the face. And I'm gonna use this 752, and we're gonna go into that darker shade. This is also by Makeup by Yolondo. I'm not gonna put too much. And then we're gonna go back here. Let's use this. This is Springsteen from MAC. Okay, and we're gonna go with that really dark shade, and then that other purple to lighten it up a bit. And now we're going into that light purple. We're gonna use Bronze Goddess Zero Heat Wave 1 or 01 Heat Wave from Estee Lauder. Okay, let us go to the lip, 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 to the lip. I'm actually gonna use this. This is which shade? It's Malt from ABH. I love these. Yeah, this is fine. This is from Laura Lee, and what is this? Show Off. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put Mist Me in my waterline. So okay, so that's it guys for this video. I really like how this look came out, you know, just slaying, why not? So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.